Good morning. Let's talk about variance analysis. When we talk about variance analysis, naturally, first of all, we are to decide about the standards. In fact, whenever we talk about costing, there are different standards set, and we find out the difference between standards and actuals. This is called as variance analysis. In fact, there are three types of basic variances, that is material cost variance, labor cost variance, and overhead variance. Today we are focusing on material cost variance. So let's take an example of a foundry where two materials, brass and zinc, are used, and the pre-decided standard quantity is, say for example, bronze 120 kgs and zinc 80 kg, making total standard input (200 kg), and sometimes there is a process loss. Say for example, standard loss is 10%, less standard loss 10%, 20 kg. So standard output is 180 kg. Let's assume standard prices which are already fixed, for example rupees 5 per kg, rupees 4 per kg. This is the standards given. In a particular batch, you mixed actual quantity, say for example 130 kgs of brass, zinc 80 kg, total actual input came to 210 kg, and the output, say for example, is 190 kg, actual loss 20 kg. This is the situation, and the prices actually paid in the market, actual price is rupees 4 per kg, rupees 3 per kg. This is the given situation where we are to find out standard material cost variances. So first variance is material cost variance, MCV, is equal to standard quantity for actual output into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. This gives you total material cost variance. It will be calculated each material wise and total as well. So standard quantity for actual output is not given, so we are to calculate it. Standard quantity for actual output, this will be 120 upon 180. So what about 190 kg? This will be calculated like it. So material cost variance is equal to standard quantity for actual output minus actual quantity into standard price. Another variance, this comes either favorable or unfavorable, and material cost variance will be calculated each material component wise. Another variance you calculate is material usage variance. Material usage variance means how material were utilized adversely or favorably. So regarding material usage variance, standard quantity for actual output minus actual quantity into standard price. This comes either favorable or unfavorable. Another variance you calculate is material price variance, that is standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. In fact, when you equate them, material cost variance is equal to material usage variance plus material price variance, and this equation holds true. Material usage variance further is divided in two parts: material sub-usage variance and material usage variance is equal to material sub-usage variance plus material mix variance. So this equation also holds true. So in fact, by this you are able to find out the actuals and standards where deviations and variances are there. This is done for the reason behind doing this exercise is to find out where the further control is to be exercised. Wherever you are gaining, it is to be restored, and where control is to be exercised. If prices are being paid more than what standards are there, so you will control over the prices increment. If quantity is being different, you will find out the different reasons for the quantity. In fact, process is to be taken care of. So first variance is material cost variance, MCV, is equal to standard quantity for actual output into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. This gives you total material cost variance. It will be calculated each material wise and total as well.